Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Neha and my channel name is Neha Thakur. If you are new to my channel, then please make sure to do subscribe. So in today's video, we are gonna unbox yellow pouch, which is travel pouch. I bought this pouch from Flipkart. This is travel pouch, or you can say makeup bag, makeup pouch, toiletry pouch, etc. This is Yelloe pouch. I bought this from Flipkart. This is in turquoise color. As you can see, this is very sturdy material. It has a label and tag. I haven't removed this tag. This is yellow pouch. I think this is tiered from here. I just have to keep it. I have no choice, no options, because return policy has within 10 days and I'm already living abroad outside India. I'm in Ireland and this is from India. So that's okay. I have to keep this pouch. This is quite big. Nearly my face size. It has gold hardware, chain detailing, and it has tag. Price written. This is from brand Yellow, and I haven't removed this tag. So I'm gonna show you labeling of this pack. I don't know if you all can see. I will show you labeling. This has the pricing of this pouch. The pricing of this pouch is 1990 Indian rupees. MRP RS 1990, 1990 rupees. And the brand, the color is turquoise blue. This is from brand Yellow, which is not quite frequently I bought any pouches or purse from Yellow an hour before. This is my first purchase from Yellow. Also the golden hardware tag right there, which also written in here is Yellow. I don't know if you can see, yeah, the tagging. And now let's see how this is from inside. This is quite spacious. It has partition in it. From one side it has, this is front side, and in here they have given compartment, and in middle compartment this is quite spacious. It has a lot of space. Again inside also they have given yellow tagging and small zipper compartment. I can fit more of stuff also in here. Quite big and large, and the zipper is quite sturdy, nice material. And the best part that I bought this pouch is this is so much interesting I found, and then I thought to purchase, because it has separate card holder or in a small pouch. Wait, I'm keeping this aside. And this is thick and very thick material. Also it has zipper compartment and gold hardware, which is nice material. Stitching of this pouch is also good, and you can fit. I can keep many cards or keys, coins, anything. Easy to use. Also, you can also keep anything right there as per your choice. So I love this material. I love this pouch. If you wish to buy, I will give you the link below. This is not sponsored video at all, but still it can help you a lot to buy if you wish to buy the product from Yelloe. So make sure to hit like button right there, and I'll see you next time. Till then, bye bye, take care.